Let's see how to blur out a moving object inside Vegas Pro version 17. So as you can see, if I play the video, the wheel of that car is blurred out. The blur is following the wheel. Okay, to do that in Vegas, let's start from the beginning. I will delete everything from here. Okay, so go here to the Video FX tab, and here we have this Bezier masking. Drag, let's say, the circle preset because I want to blur out the wheel. So that circle, and drop it onto the video, that's the top layer. Okay, now everything on the side is black. Come here to General, open it from the triangle, and Mask FX, check that one. Now you can see everything that is around it. Okay, now let's add with this green FX button, add, let's say, Gaussian blur, add, and OK. Now everything is blurred out, not just that portion, so drag this Gaussian blur and drop it in front of the Bezier masking, like so. And now the blur is only inside that one. Now we should move this one to the wheel. So Bezier masking, open the first mask. Okay, and now reposition it, let's say there, and let's say make it smaller, somewhere there. Okay, let's make the edges a little bit more transparent with this feather. So feather the edges, not too much, somewhere there. Okay, and then we should also track it here on the first mask. It has a track option, but this will not work. Start, and it already stopped. It will not work because the blur is enabled, so disable it. Probably is not seeing the wheel because of the blur. Okay, so start, and it's tracking forward. It's not able to track backward. That's a limitation, and it's not able to track frame by frame either, and it might not be too accurate either. As you can see, it's off the wheel, but at least is kind of following the wheel. Okay, let's go to the beginning. Now check that Gaussian blur so that we can see the blur and close it. And now if we play it, now the blur is following the wheel of the car. And that's how to blur out a moving object inside Vegas Pro version 17.